Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorials, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing how you can delete a YouTube playlist from your YouTube channel, and also you can create a YouTube playlist, and also you can edit a YouTube playlist. So don't let me check out the video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, to see your playlist that we exist now, you can see on your channel in the playlist tab. Then you can see full playlist. When you click here, you can see more playlist details of this playlist. So now for tutorials, I am going to create a new tutorials from here. Like when I go to my channel, from the channel option, from here I need to go to the customize channel, and from here I can go to the playlist section from this top menu. You can see here, and you can see there is my playlist that already have in my channel. Now to create a playlist, you need to click on the uh, plus button, a new playlist, and I just name this test playlist. So I do this. Now there is some setting about the visibility of this playlist, that there is a public, unlisted, and private mode. Public is means that it can be searched by YouTube search option, and these videos can be viewed by all public, and the videos that you add inside of this playlist, it will be visible to everyone. And the unlisted is that will not found in the search option, and no one will find this on your YouTube channel. But if you give someone to the playlist channel URL, then he can access this. This is mainly used for private video, like if you want to do some paid tutorials and you want to share those to someone, then you can just make it unlisted, and you can send this to him, the link, then he can see this via the link. And another thing is the private. When you create a playlist and private, then no one can see, only you can see this one. Like you can see the private, this can only be seen for me whose video I like, but other video not shown for me. But other it will show for me, but no one can see. So I just create test playlist, and I make this public. So I create here. So you can see this is my playlist. You can add a thumbnail also here. To edit this, you need to click here, edit, and you can see you can set a description, and you can add videos. Let me show you how you can add the videos. So here in the your YouTube videos, so I just add this video and then click add video. Now you can see this video has already been added to my playlist. Now I will show you how you can delete this. So first of all, you come to your channel, like I am here on my channel. After coming to the channel, let me go in the public mode when you open first time, how it looks like. So when my channel, I click on my channel, and now when you first time open your channel, it will be see like this, and then click on customize channel, and from here you need to go to the playlist, and from playlist you go to the playlist you want to delete. Like here I created a test playlist, so I open the test playlist, and from here you need to select this edit option. You can see the edit pen icon here, and from here you will get a three dot more button. From here you need to click here, and you can see the option delete playlist, and you just click delete from here and press yes to delete this. So this is all about how you can create, add videos, or delete your YouTube channel, YouTube playlist. So this is all about how you can delete your YouTube playlist, and I will show you another method that you can also use to do this. So I just click here and go to my YouTube studio. This will open in beta mode, but you need to go to in the standard mode, the previous one. So I go to my YouTube channel studio and Creator Studio Classic. I move to Creator Studio Classic, and then from here you need to go to the video manager. When you click on here, it will open two options. One is for videos and one is for playlist. You need to go to for playlist, And here you can also see all the playlists, like you can see the previous one. So here I show you, and there is another playlist. So I just click here on the playlist option, and then here again you get the edit option, and you get the edit option, and from here you can edit this, or you can just delete this from here. So delete playlist, and like, yes, delete this. So this is all about the deleting techniques, how you can delete a playlist from your YouTube channel permanently. So I hope guys like the video. If you like the video, please do let me know in the comment section, and also like the video, and please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.